Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Another vlog for you guys to see. I would like to share this with you. Today it's Saturday. I'm gonna take you guys with me to our bike ride adventure. Today it's Saturday, and I can't wait to share this with you. And once again, if you haven't subscribed, and if you're new, please subscribe. I would really appreciate your support. Means a lot to me. So anyway, let's get on. So there goes my husband to the rescue. He actually helped me out carrying the bike over kasi mahirap. There's a few bumps right there, so he helped me out to carry the bike over. So dito guys, naglalakad lang ako. I didn't even get on my bike kasi the road was a bit too hard for me. This trail, it was harder. So I was just walking until I, get down to the main entrance. And as you can see, that's my bike right there. I was just trying to show it to you guys na I wasn't on my bike. Naglalakad lang ako. So, yeah. So the road was even narrow for me. I was so scared na baka mamaya mahulog ako sa gilid, and there's nothing to protect me. But I know that was just in my head. Natatakot kasi ako kaya ganun. Pero I was wearing a helmet naman, so there's nothing to worry. But it was just my head playing games on me. So, yeah. So, ito na nga guys. I was walking, and my husband, I know he waited for me, and bless his heart. Ang galing niya guys. Mabait yung asawa ko. He was always been supported. I told him that I wasn't, gonna go get on my bike kasi natatakot ako. But he had a lot of patience on me. So inantay niya ako sa main entrance. So ito na nga, dumating na ako sa main entrance, tapos siya nag-aantay sa akin. And then he told me I should lead the way, and he waited for me. Thank you, hubby. Ayan na guys. And then nagbike kami guys doon. It took us about 20 minutes naman, and then we get back to the other trail. And then dito ipakita ko sa inyo guys tong trail na to.
Because they have red, green.
It didn't say on the page.
So it says here there's green, and then red, and there's black.
Yeah, so red is.
So pink is a mountain bike trail, hiking trail.
So that's the easiest, and that's the hardest.
So the green one is the easiest one.
Yeah, and red's next, and.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's about it. So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami. We may stop at Tim's. We'll see. We'll go to Tim's for brekkie. I actually didn't get any breakfast this morning, so this would be a treat. Tapos din kami. Kala ng asawa ko, kinausap ko siya. Guys, natapos din kami. Ang dami kong hingal. Even though nagbabike ride kami all the time, I'm still out of breath. doesn't stop. So this is the trail. It's called Amos, and these are their recreational perks. Like they have parking lot, green, red, black. Those are the mark if you're a serious bikers. So yan lang, and then ito yung map ng trail. So it's called Amos. It's in Oro Medonte. So yan lang guys. Oh, I got my exercise today. We actually went in the road. We did that for 15 minutes. And ang ganda naman ang panahon today. So yeah. Yan lang guys. And there's another trail here, I think. These are difficult ones. So these are the red trail. So means mahirap. So if I got that one right, if I read the map right, so the red mark is mahirap.
Super hungry na guys. Talaga, I was so hungry. And then mainit pa. Kaya not only we're hungry and we're thirsty. So yeah, ito na yung Tim Hortons guys. And as you can see, ayan, pinakita ko sa inyo what the Tim Hortons looks like dito sa Canada.
The smoked honey bacon English muffin. And yeah, smoky honey bacon English muffin.
Yeah, anything else?
Sausage farmer's wrap and a hash brown.
Yeah, sausage, burger, rice,
No thanks.
sorry about please.
Thank you.
Ito guys, nasa bahay na kami. Nag-overvoice lang ako dito dahil we are at our backyards. And then my husband was playing music and I don't want to copyright it. Kaya nag-voice over ako. So yeah, we're just actually minding these two dogs over here. One is right at the top of our fence. She was actually just waiting for her other half. She's right on top of my roof. I think the birds is just they got scared kasi madulas yung roof ng gazebo namin. So, yun lang guys, na-stuck siya doon. Tapos yung claw niya, parang natatakot siya na baka ma-injured siya. So, and then the bird flew over so she can follow him there. Kaya as you can see, makita nyo, ayan o, naglalakad siya. And then, ayan, nalipad na din yan siya doon sa kabila. Ayun. And then, nahulog siya. I think she was hurt a bit. And then, I think medyo okay naman siya. So, ayun siya guys. Okay, nalakad. And then, nandoon siya sa roof, guys, nag-lunch siya. And then it was really hard. Nag-lunch siya. Parang na-injured na siya. And then there's another one on top of my window. Nahirapan din siya. So, ayun o, lumipad na yung isa patungo doon sa fence, on top of the fence. Sinamahan niya yung flower. So, this bird, guys, I was worried about kasi she got stuck right over my window. She flown away, so I guess she was okay. So yeah, that's about it, you guys, and I wanted to share with you guys today's adventure in my backyard. And as you can see today, it's Saturday. Actually, our friend came to visit today, and we are excited to hang out for the night. So as the same thing, itong lover na to, yung dogs, tinitingnan nila kami, we're watching them, I think, and they're also watching us kasi tinitingnan nila kami. So the reason why I was doing voiceover kasi I was playing music and I didn't wanna get copyrighted. So yeah. So there you go, you guys. I shared my day with you. Been doing some bike riding, and we went to Tim Hortons and pick up some breakfast. And it's pretty much it with my day today. And I'm glad that my friend came to visit here with us. And I'm excited to spend our time with them for the night. And so yeah, that's about it, you guys, and I hope you guys like my video. And if you're new, I wanna welcome you, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It